Hello everyone. Today we are going to configure the iOS of the router. That is, basically we are going to take a PT router and we are going to delete the flash of the router and download it from the server. That is, first we are taking a PT router and a server. That is a PT server, this server, and we are going to connect it, and let us go to the server and assign the IP addresses. Desktop IP configuration and 10.0.0.1 and the default gateway 10.0.0.10. And now after assigning the IP address, let us go to the router, and here no enable configure terminal interface fast ethernet 0/0 no shutdown IP address 10.0.0.10 255.0.0 exit. The link is up and we have already assigned the IP addresses. The normal booting process goes from the power on self test, ROM, flash, NVRAM, and then RAM. This is the normal booting process. And here in the TFTP server, we are going to copy the flash from the router to the server, and we are going to delete the flash of the router, that is the operating system of the router, from the router, and then we are going to download it again from the ROM monitor mode, that is Roman mode. Let us go to the flash. Let us first see in the privilege mode. Let us first see the flash. So flash, and here this is the operating system. We are going to copy, and then we are going to take a node here, and then Control V, we are pasting it here, and then escape, and then after that we are going to copy, that is copy flash colon then TFTP, because we are going to use the TFTP server. Here it is asking for the source file name, that is this file, so we are going to paste it, this file, and then press enter. And here we have to give the address of the remote host, that is the server, that is 10.1. Enter. It is asking that destination file is this, so it is correct. Enter. Now it is writing to the memory, and now the TFTP server, the flash has been copied to the server. And then if we delete the flash, and it is asking which file you want to delete, we are going to paste the file name, it is, and then it is asking for the confirmation. Enter. And if we see the flash, and here the file has already been deleted. And now if we reload the router, that is normal booting process, no, confirm. Here there is no OS, so it is going to the ROM monitor mode. The normal booting process has been interrupted, that is from power on self test to the ROM. And now here we are going to give the IP addresses of the router. If we type reset, it will ask for some, it will say that the booting process has been not set, so we have to give the IP addresses and IP subnet marks. So IP, here we cannot give any space between address 10.10, that is the IP address of the router. IP subnet mask we are going to give, that is 255.0.0. Enter. And then we are going to give the default gateway, and the default gateway is 10.0.0.10. Enter, and then TFTP server, and then here we are going to give the server name, that is 10.1 IP address of the server, and then after TFTP server we are going to give the file name TFTP file name, and then it's TFTP file, not file name, it should be file. And then if we paste it, and then if we paste enter and then reset it, before resetting we are going to give TFTP download, TFTP download DNLD. Do you wish to continue? Yes. Why? So it has been encrypting and decrypting. Here we can reset. If we type reset, it will be downloaded. The router is in the booting process, self decompressing. It is downloading the operating system. Therefore we have successfully downloaded the iOS of the router, and we are going to the setup mode and then privilege mode and the global configuration. And if we go to the privilege mode and check flash, the flash has been downloaded. So this is how we configure the iOS of the router to the server. Thank you.